Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. Today's demo is another culinary expedition meal. Today we're going to be in Croatia, where I'll be preparing Punjene Paprike, also known as stuffed peppers, Croatian style. So, let's get to the mise en place. We're going to start off with some diced yellow onion, minced garlic, beef mince, long grain white rice, Hungarian paprika, some coriander, ground thyme, oregano, Mediterranean, and basil, Mediterranean. And then we'll add some diced tomatoes in their juices, some good old water, and the star of the show, some red bell peppers which have been decapitated and gutted. Okay, I've got some oil heating up in my saute pan. I'm going to go ahead and add the onions. And the garlic. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of kosher salt. And black pepper. And start to saute these. Okay, the onions I think are ready. So what I'm going to do is add the beef mince. And we're going to break it up. Okay, as you can see, I've got the mince all broken down and it's browning very nicely. So at this point, we're going to add the rice, which I have rinsed. Let me just give this a real quick stir in. I'm going to add the paprika, the coriander, the thyme, the oregano, and the basil. And we're going to add a little bit of kosher salt. And black pepper. A little bit more. It's all stirred in. This is actually the first time I have prepared any type of stuffed pepper. So it's actually rather simple. I know stuffed peppers are a dish that are from all different parts of Europe. Now we're going to add the diced tomatoes and all their juices. And some good old water. Get that all stirred in. And then I'm going to bring the heat up so I can get a nice simmer. Like it is now. And then I'm going to add the lid and take it all the way down to the lowest setting if possible. It will basically simmer this for 10 minutes. Okay, it's been just a little bit over 10 minutes. And there's the interior mixture for the stuffed peppers. Now we get to stuff the peppers. Now the rice is not completely cooked. It will finish cooking in the peppers. And you want to just lightly pack each pepper. Just like so. I'll finish up the next two. As you can see, I put the first two stuffed peppers in a baking dish. And then I'm going to add the third one. And then I'm going to pour just a little bit of water into the bottom so they don't stick. These will go in the hot box with the lid or tin foil at first for 45 minutes, and then we'll pull them from the hot box, pull the lid and or tin foil off, and put them back in the hot box for about 15 minutes. And then they should be done. Okay, it's been total of an hour that the stuffed peppers have been in the hot box. First 45 was with the lid on, and the last 15 with the lid off. They have sat for 5 minutes. So let's take a look. Here's the 3 stuffed peppers that we prepared a little bit earlier. They're looking really, really good. Now it's time to let's get these plated. Okay, here's the finished product. All plated up, the Punjene Paprike. Yumminess. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. If you like this recipe, you can find it and many more at the Casual Chef website. You will also find my cookbooks, international herb and spice blends, t-shirts, and much more. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.